Choose the most appropriate phrase from the options given below to complete the following sentence. The aircraft dash take off as soon as its flight plan was filed. Let's look at the solution. The given sentence uses the verb was after the blank, so this confirms that the sentence is in past tense. Now, based on this confirmation, rewriting the given sentence, the aircraft was allowed to take off as soon as its flight plan was filed. The correct answer to this question is option C.